Hello, everyone. Today we're going to learn about parts of a bird. All right, this is our science topic for the week, learning about birds. Learning the parts of a bird. There are many different kinds of birds and there are many different colors. A bird has a beak. That's kind of like our nose. Move me over here. A bird has wings. Some are really long, some are shorter. A bird has feathers. Some are many different colors, some are just one color. It really depends on the bird. A bird has a tail. A bird has eyes, all different kinds of big, small, depends on the bird. A bird has feet and toes, basically toes. This kind of is like my bird, but my bird is more white and yellow. Some birds have these mohawks, like my little cockatiel. This is a cockatiel. Cockatiel and quails are known for their mohawk at the top of their head. All right, so today you are going to label the parts. You're going to say, what are the parts of the bird? You're going to write a bird has, and you're going to tell me on the side, I will have words for you. You can also draw lines to label your bird, and then you can write the words down here. So I want you to draw lines to point to where the parts are. And then at this end, I want you to tell me what a bird has in words in the sentence. All right, good luck. We're going to learn more about birds this week. And maybe my bird will make a guest appearance.